Can you build a programming language in 100 lines of code? To save time, I decided to implement a version of Lisp, an existing programming language that is relatively simple to implement. The thing about Lisp is that you use parentheses to denote code blocks, so we can use a stack to parse all the programs instead of having to do something fancy like an abstract syntax tree parser. It's pretty simple. We're going to continue to push statements onto the stack until we can complete a parentheses pair, and then we'll pop the last thing that we put onto the stack off the stack, evaluate it, and then continue going forward. And now you may be thinking, well, I understand how you can do like 1 plus 1 with that, but how do you take care of variables? Well, we're just going to keep a massive global dictionary that we'll call the environment to keep track of variables and functions like math functions. Then we just write a function that takes in a string that's meant to be the program, passes it through all the other functions we've written so far, and then throws out an output for the program, and boom, we're done. We can test whether this factorial program actually works. So here's the Lisp code, here's what we expect to see, and here's what we actually output. So the code actually works. The part is, it only took 97 lines of Python.